Hello meat lovers. Do you know the pros and cons of manual and electric meat grinder? Let's find it out. Manual meat grinder. Pros. Easy to clean. Easy to assemble. Smaller in size and lightweight. Higher portability. Higher longevity. Cons. Not for large amount of meat. Not good for bones. Electric meat grinder. Pros. Fast output speed. Good for grinding bones. Easy to operate. Can handle large amount of meat. No manual hand cranking needed. Cons. Higher price. Difficult to repair. So, which kind of meat grinder is good for you? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. To read the full article, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description. Thank you. Have a good day.